Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem and this is the question number 17 of question of the day. So let's begin the observation part here. If you observe one thing here, that is the base of this log is nothing but 3 here. Okay, so from here we will be getting one idea, that is we have 3 here. Yes, the base is also 3. So 9 raised to power 1 plus log x to the base 3 we have. So we will be trying to make this upper part as what? A single quantity, that is going to be what? 9 raised to power log 3, and this is going to be something. Okay, that I will interchange, that I will be going to interchange. Okay, which we will be applying the property this one. Now let's start the solution part here. So I just interchange the 1 with the what? Log 3 to the base 3. That is nothing but 1 here. The same I replicate here as well. Now, if you observe, we will be applying the property that is log mn. That is going to be log m plus log n. That we apply, it will become what? Log 3x. Okay, to the base 3. The same here, you will be getting the same result. Yes. Now, afterwards, we will be replacing, or you can say we will be interchanging these two quantities. Okay, the same here I will interchange. So if I interchange, I will getting the 3x. Now to the power what? The log 9 to the base 3 here, and we know this value is going to be what? 2, and this value is going to be what? 1 here. So from here we will be saying that 3x raised to power 2 minus 3x minus 210. So after doing the square, we get this part. Now divide with the 3, we will get this equation. Now you just have to use a factorization. Whether if you are comfortable with the factorization, that is middle term splitting, go with it. If you are not, so you can go with the discriminant formula, or you can say Sridharacharya method or quadratic formula, anything you call it. So use that formula. Okay, now after using it, like I use a factorization method, so I get this part. Okay, now from here I will say the x is going to be 5 or is going to be minus 14 by 3, and this is not going to be possible because we have log x to the base 3. That means here the x must be what? Greater than 0. That we learn in the function chapter. Anything we are putting in the log must be what? Positive. So we are going to say that it is going to be rejected because x here is what? Is negative. Now the final answer is going to be what? This only, that is x equal to 5. This is only the possible solution. So in the problem it asks you number of solutions. So answer is going to be what? 1 here. For such videos, subscribe to this channel, and many more videos is going to become on this channel. Thank you.